Students, you all know that there are different kinds of animals around us. Animals like a cat, a dog, a cow, a buffalo, a lion, and a tiger have backbones. They are called vertebrates. Animals like a fish, a frog, a snake, and a crocodile also have backbones. They are also called vertebrates.
But animals like a snail, an earthworm, a honeybee, and a butterfly do not have backbones. They are the invertebrates.
Now let us discuss about the reproduction system of these animals. You must have seen different baby animals around you. This is a calf. This is a puppy. This is a kitten, and this is a colt. All these animals are baby animals. Do you know where these baby animals come from?
Animals produce their babies.
A dog produces a puppy. A cat produces a kitten. A cow produces a calf. A horse produces a colt. The animal that produces the baby animal is the parent. All the baby animals look like their parents.
So, animals produce babies alike them. It is called reproduction.
This is an alligator. Do you know for how many years an alligator lives?
An alligator lives for about 68 years.
The time period for which an animal lives is called its lifespan. So, the lifespan of an alligator is 68 years.
The lifespan of an African elephant is 70 years. The lifespan of a human is 80 years.
And the lifespan of a worker ant is not even a year. It lives only for 6 months.
All the animals have certain lifespans. Some animals have short lifespans. They live for a number of weeks or months. Some of them live even for a few days.
But some animals have long lifespans. They live for many, many years.
This is a gastrotrich. It is an aquatic animal. Its lifespan is of only 3 days. It has a very short lifespan. But the lifespan of the giant tortoise is 152 years. Its lifespan is even longer than humans. Isn't it interesting?
None of the animals live forever. One day, they all die. Students, let us suppose that a dog does not reproduce. What would happen if a dog did not reproduce?
We would never see a dog again.
The dog has a definite lifespan. One day, it certainly dies. If the dog does not reproduce, we will never see another dog again. Likewise, if a cat did not reproduce, we would never see another cat again. If a hen did not reproduce, we would never see another hen again. If a parrot did not reproduce, we would never see another parrot again.
So, if the animals do not reproduce, we will never see them again.
Now tell me, can a cow reproduce a dog?
Obviously not.
A cow can reproduce only another cow. It cannot reproduce a dog. Only the dog can reproduce the next dog. Likewise, a donkey cannot reproduce a cat. It can reproduce only another donkey. Only the cat can reproduce another cat.
So, the animal of a kind cannot reproduce the animal of the next kind. It can only reproduce the animal of its own kind.
If any of the animals did not reproduce, its kind would disappear. Therefore, animals reproduce to give their kind continuity.
Different animals reproduce in different ways. On the basis of how animals reproduce, we can divide them into two groups: egg-laying animals, direct birth-giving animals.